What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today we've got the Freedom Bluetooth rechargeable outdoor speaker with a subwoofer by Itek. This is the side of the box. Here are some features on the device. It's 15 watts, got a built-in subwoofer, it's USB rechargeable battery by USB charging cable included. It streams music wirelessly from any Bluetooth device. It has an integrated USB and SD card slot, full function control panel, a built-in 3.5mm aux jack cable, plus the cable is an AUX cable is included, adjustable shoulder strap, charging time is 5 hours, and the play time is at 60% volume is around 4 hours, and 100% volume is 90 minutes. It's compatible with iPhone, iPod Touch, mobile phones, tablets, computers, MP3 devices, and more. This is the back of the box. It has a different picture from the front, but it's exactly the same information. Here is the other side of the box, and it's exactly the same to the other side. Getting into the box, first of all, we are greeted with all the information inside because I've already took the device out, and I'm just going to show you all the other bits that come with the speaker. First of all, we are greeted with a user guide manual on the front. It just tells you a picture and tells you what the product is. On the back, it tells you a little bit about 2-year guarantee you get with the speaker and some information how to claim your guarantee. And opening the actual book, a load of boring information, most of it, but some of it's interesting. And on this page, it tells you what's in the box here: USB charging cable, aux cable, on and off switch, script, battery. It just tells you all the controls on the device, and it tells you what to do before you use it. In the box, we've got a 3.5mm AUX cable for connecting to devices that don't have Bluetooth built in and other uses. And up next, we've got the USB charging cable. You can plug this into a USB plug or computer to charge your speaker. Then after that, we've just got some boring old packaging. Just chuck that away. That's just what the speaker came in, to protect it a little bit more. Next, we've got the shoulder strap that comes with the device. This is for hanging it over your shoulder, hanging it up anywhere, just for convenience and extra storage stuff. You can carry your music anywhere, so that's all in the box.